Hi, in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about interruptible power supplies and why you might need one and where you should go to get one. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this, what I believe to be an essential piece of technology that protects your computer from a variety of things that could happen in your environment. But the most important one that it protects you from is a power outage, either a brownout where the power goes out momentarily or a power outage where everything shuts down. What it does by having this, it reduces the potential for computer damage by giving you the chance to still watch what's going on your machine, shut it down gracefully, save all of your data. In the event that the machine shuts down instantaneously because of a power outage without having an uninterruptible power supply behind it, the potential for lost data is great, and even in some cases you could lose the computer because the information that's in memory at the time that needs to be rewritten to the hard drive isn't, or the operating system is not prepared at that moment for a shutdown, and when it comes back up it gets confused. And if you don't already have one under your desk or on your desk plugged into your computer, I think you should buy one right this minute. There are a collection of them to choose from out of the market. The one that I prefer is from APC, and the one that I'm going to talk about here a little bit is the 600 VA UPS model BE600MI. That is linked to the site that I'm going to show you here in 1 second. The other one out in the marketplace is CyberPower and TripLight. You can go directly to my website or the link that will be provided beneath this video or through this video to Amazon, which will provide you all the things that you need in order to be able to buy this product. You can also watch out on myitperson.com, where I will be including all of the various products that I've recommended for my customers, my friends, my family, and you. So the reliability of the APC boxes have been terrific since I started using them more than 20 some odd years ago. When they do fail, they often beep to tell you that they need a replacement battery, and then you can go to Batteries Plus and get a replacement battery, unpin a couple of leads and plug them back in and have another battery. Every now and again they do fail completely, but they generally last more than 5, 7, 10, 12 years. I have some boxes. There's one under my desk that's way more than 12 years old. And an important thing for you to know is how to test that your uninterruptible power supply is working. And the short answer is you get to a spot on your computer where in the event that it's shut down, it would not be catastrophic. So I would go to the login screen or log out from the computer from your desktop so that everything is closed and the computer is waiting for you to log in. There's also an option on that screen to shut down. But at that moment, when you reach that, you take the power supply cable that's plugged directly into the wall, which is where it belongs, not via an extension cord, but it's plugged into the wall. When you unplug it, the computer should stay on, the monitor should stay on, the TV or modem or whatever is plugged into it should stay on, and it should beep to say, hey, we've lost power, what do you want to do? As long as I'm beeping, we're good, but you're going to have to shut down soon. As I said, your computer is very, very, very important to protect, but also any television set today does not enjoy having the power rapidly turned off and then turned back on. The modem that you use to provide the internet to your house, some of them actually have a battery backup already installed, but most of them could use one. Also, your router in your house or any other electronic equipment that connects the internet to your computer, so that in the event that you were doing something online, banking or what have you, you wouldn't want any part of the process to shut down until you've had a chance to log out and complete the process. The last thing I'm going to tell you is that for all of other electronics that you have, there are very often spots to plug into a battery backup box that's marked surge protection only, and that's the place for printers and the pencil sharpeners and any other electronics that are not running computers themselves that should be plugged into, and a printer is generally protected, and it's okay to plug it into the wall, but I believe that it's the best thing is to plug it into surge protection for the best protection, especially in any area where lightning is prevalent. Thanks very much for your time. This is Mike Magnet. Hope to see you again. Just one more thing I wanted to add. In your house today is very likely a TV set-top box that delivers cable or over your satellite, or somehow the TV material. If it has a DVR in it, then you're really going to want to have a battery backup or an uninterruptible power supply attached to that as well. Thanks for watching.